Yeah.
People allow you enter Masjid Raya or just in yard?
I was able to go inside.
Inside? Oh,
Yeah.
kan? Kok bisa?
How-
Dia
how?
bisa masuk ke dalam Masjid Raya katanya, padahal nggak boleh.
Because I
When you get married, do you think religion is important? Lucy, I would like to know about your perspective about religion. So, what do you think religion practicing in Aceh?
Yes, I think that it's like obviously a very, very important part of the culture here. And I always feel like religion sort of is in the air that we even breathe here. Like it's sort of like you can feel it wherever you go. And I think it's like as a foreigner, it's a really interesting experience
Yeah.
to be here.
So you when you sleep at night, subuh, subuh,
No.
like in the 3 a.m., 4 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for praying subuh. You feel how when you sleep, suddenly you hear azan for first time.
I sleep very soundly, so nothing can wake me up.
Oh my god. Jadi dia kalau
So,
tidur dia
it's
nggak
never
terganggu,
woken me
nggak
up.
terganggu sama azan dia. Until now,
Yeah.
yeah, you're not disturbed by azan. No.
Not even the earthquake woke me up.
Because several days ago,
Yeah,
earthquake here. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
someone, like, I checked my phone the morning after, and my friend was like, "Oh, did you feel the earthquake?" And I was like, "No, I was asleep." And
Yeah,
so that was a little interesting.
6.5 maybe, 6.5 SR skala
Yeah.
Richter.
Yeah, so very
So,
strong.
Any religion practice here that's interesting for you? Any practicing? Maybe you cannot see there in your hometown, but you see here.
Yeah, I think that the way in which religion is prioritized by people in daily life is something that we don't really have in America. So, for example, if I'm out with friends, if the time for prayer comes, they go, and it's just a part of life. It's not like a big deal or anything. It's just something that like you do every day. And I think that it's a like very interesting practice, especially for me, because I am interested in mindfulness. And a big part of mindfulness is being aware of like what you're doing during the day and kind of coming back to your like self without distractions from the outside world. And I feel that it's kind of similar to how people go for prayer, no matter what other activities might be going on.
Yeah.
So I think it's
Mindfulness. Recently, I watched many YouTube talking about mindfulness because it's very important ya.
Yeah.
Kesadaran. Jadi kesadaran untuk melakukan sesuatu secara sukarela ya. Yeah, because many people they do something because someone else push them, ya kan? Not because mindfulness, because this is mandatory, so I have to do this. But are you sure this is because they're mindfulness?
I mean, from I guess maybe it's more compulsory, so they're being like they have to if they're Muslim. But for an outsider's point of view, it's kind of it's nice for me to see, I suppose.
So, are you Christian?
Yes, I'm.
At least formally.
Yeah, I was raised. I was raised in a school of Christianity called Unitarianism, and I still strongly feel like ties to it. However, I like to learn about different religions.
You go to church?
I would go to church, yes.
Here?
No, because my church is not here. So,
But you can go to every church every church or just certain church? I don't know.
For me personally, I would rather go to a church that aligns with my beliefs rather
Okay.
than just going to like any church, because in Christianity there are different ways of practicing. So
What church?
Yeah.
What kind of church?
My-
Protestant?
mine,
Huh?
yeah, so it's a little bit different in America because we have many kinds of Protestant religions. Here, I think there is just one, right? Or just like one Protestant. Or no, there's a Methodist.
In the two big Protestant and Catholic, but under Protestant they divide into tens,
Yeah,
10
many.
branches. But so far I'm if Catholic only one, just
Yeah,
Catholic.
just
I don't know the history or why.
Yeah. In my hometown, for example, we have, I think, maybe like 6 kinds of different Christian churches. So there are many options
Yeah,
to choose from. Yeah.
So here because you don't see your church here, you don't go during in Aceh. You never go to church, yeah.
Yeah.
But have you ever visit mosque,
Yes. I've been to Masjid Raya.
Masjid Raya?
Yeah.
People allow you enter Masjid Raya or just in yard
I was able to go inside.
inside? Oh,
Yeah.
can? Kok bisa?
How-
Dia
how-
bisa masuk ke dalam Masjid Raya katanya, padahal nggak boleh.
Because
how can-
I was wearing a hijab and like the appropriate dress, and I was able to go inside, and no one asked me questions about it.
You just go.
I was with my friends.
Yeah, you and
so-
your friend just go inside.
because they had to pray. So they
Situation like this, your friend want to pray, and you accompany them.
yes.
You also go inside. Oh, I
Yes.
understand.
Yeah.
But in fact, sorry, for non-Muslim, not allowed to get inside. That's a policy of Masjid Raya.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah. But maybe in different country, non-Muslim is allowed. Yeah, for example, in Turkey, you can go inside mosque or even in Palestine maybe or somewhere.
Yeah.
But in Aceh, not allowed. I don't know why.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. This is not on purpose, yeah. But because you don't know, and I think that's it's okay. Never mind. Yeah? So you read the story of Masjid Raya. You read the story of Masjid Raya. What you read?
I suppose
It's like test, eh?
Huh?
This my question look like test, eh?
a little bit.
I'm a bad host.
Yeah. I don't know if I've read anything specific to Masjid Raya. Just sort of what people give me, and what they tell me about it. Yeah.
Do you think every religion same purpose?
The same purpose.
Same, I mean, same goal maybe? Has a similar goal?
Maybe.
Maybe.
That's a hard question.
Yeah.
So I suppose maybe not then. If,
Maybe not, yeah.
yeah, maybe not.
Yeah, because for how to say, it is sensitive also. I don't want to talk. Because in certain religion they really hard to defend their religion is the number one religion, right? So you cannot say our religion is same to yours. Some people like say that, and mostly so. I think religion must make us a better person.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, for self-betterment. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's sometimes I want to talk about religion because there are so many misperception about any religion. I think for us, for Muslim, we think Christian like this, blah 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 blah. Maybe for non-Muslim, think Muslim like this, blah 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 blah. But in fact, we never know,
Yeah.
because we never learn, and also we don't want to learn. What for we learn? Not my religion, maybe. For example, near my house, it's 4 churches. Near my house,
Yes.
my home in Banda Aceh, right? But I never go inside mosque, inside church, even in the yard.
Yeah.
Even in the yard, I never go.
Yeah.
In my mind, it's like, what for? This is not mine.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard, hard topic.
I suppose I think that is very fair, and I feel very much the same way about like mosques here, so Masjid. Yes, so I think that it's very important for different religions to have sacred spaces of community, and I think that it's also valuable for people from different religions to be able to meet and have conversations.
Interreligion, yeah.
Yeah.
This some people say interfaith
Interfaith.
yes. Interfaith meeting, maybe. Interfaith meeting not to make people change their religion, but to make people understand well, maybe.
Yes.
Like humanity above.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So when you get married, do you think religion is important?
For anyone, I think or for myself
Yourself.
personally. So is that a question like, would I marry someone of a different faith than me? Or the ceremony, like, would it have to be in a church?
How to say? Because I don't know, in America, if you married, you have to run certain ceremony. Like in Indonesia, this is 5 registered religion. So you have to choose one. 5 or 6, I don't know.
I see.
Yeah. You have to choose one if you get married. But in America, I don't know.
In America, you don't need to register with a religion. However, for a lot of people, it is very important for them. For myself, I think it would matter what my partner would want more than me, I suppose.
Okay, maybe I don't know. Maybe question too hard for you, like test, like examination, I think. But I don't want just this how to say this conversation at least very useful for listener.
Yes.
We can take lesson from this conversation, not just conversation, but less benefit. Because not every day I meet foreigner, maybe once in a year. So that's when my friend told me, "Oh, this is a bule." Oh, I'm very happy to meet. Okay, baik rekan Sago Ede, saya rasa tadi bincang-bincang sesi terakhir saya dengan Luci tentang pendapat dia mengenai agama. Mudah-mudahan apa yang kami bicarakan ada pelajarannya lah ya. Kalau kira-kira tidak setuju juga nggak apa-apa. Kita jumpa lagi di tayangan selanjutnya. Sampai jumpa. Assalamualaikum.
Jika video ini bermanfaat untuk Anda, silakan subscribe, like, dan nyalakan loncengnya.